Hey there! Welcome to my kitchen. Let's start by preparing our chicken. Begin by removing the skin from the chicken legs. Using a sharp knife, make small cuts on the surface of each leg to help the marinade penetrate. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. Transfer the prepared chicken to a large bowl. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then finely grate 2 garlic cloves. and also add them to the marinade. Mix well until the ingredients are fully incorporated. Pour the marinade over the chicken legs, ensuring they are evenly coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Take 3 large potatoes and cut them into small bite-sized cubes. Transfer the cubed potatoes to a large mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Grate 1 ounce or 30 grams of Parmesan cheese. And also add it over the potatoes. Toss the potatoes until they are evenly coated with the seasoning and cheese. Transfer the seasoned potatoes to a baking dish, spreading them out in an even layer. place the baking dish in the oven preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, or until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Crack 2 eggs into a shallow dish or plate. And add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or sour cream. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt and whisk together until smooth and well combined. In another shallow dish or plate, combine 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs with 1 teaspoon of paprika, mixing thoroughly. Remove the marinated chicken legs from the refrigerator. Working with 1 leg at a time, dip it into the egg and yogurt mixture, ensuring it is fully coated. Then, transfer the coated leg to the breadcrumb mixture, pressing gently to adhere the breadcrumbs to the surface. Repeat this process with each chicken leg until they are all coated. Place the coated chicken legs on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they are spaced apart to allow for even cooking. Cut 1 ounce or 30 grams of butter into 7 small pieces and place 1 piece on top of each chicken leg. Cover the top of the chicken legs with a sheet of dampened parchment paper to prevent them from drying out during baking. Transfer the baking sheet to the oven preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the breadcrumbs are golden brown and crispy. While the chicken and potatoes are baking, prepare the salad. Wash and dry the salad greens thoroughly, then place them in a large salad bowl. Cut 7 cherry tomatoes into quarters. and add them to the bowl. Peel and thinly slice 1 red onion. Then place the sliced onion in a separate bowl. Pour 1 cup of hot water over the onion. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir until the salt is fully dissolved. Leave for 5 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese to the salad. Drain the sliced red onion from the vinegar mixture and add it to the salad. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the mixture and whisk until smooth and creamy. Once the chicken and potatoes are ready, remove them from the oven. Transfer the crispy chicken legs and Parmesan potatoes to serving plates. And serve alongside the tangy salad. Enjoy your delicious and satisfying meal. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you.